It's the book of Luke 21 verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence, and fitful sights and great signs shall be met. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Bakarkadash. That the Heavenly Father, the true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashma Kadash to the tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders, while Akima Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a quick sit-down lesson of earthquakes in diverse places as of December the 9th, 2024, on this Monday afternoon. And this is from the latest earthquakes from earthquake.usgs.gov. 4.8 earthquake in Ohara, Japan. 3.0 earthquake in Petrola, California. 2.6 earthquake in Petrola, California. 3.4 earthquake in Puerto Rico. 4.5 earthquake in Indonesia. 3.2 earthquake in Petrola, California. 3.0 earthquake in San Juan, Puerto Rico. 2.8 earthquake in Calvaleo, California, if I pronounced that name right. 3.4 earthquake in Alaska. 5.0 earthquake in False Pass, Alaska. 5.7 earthquake in Mid-India Ridge. 3.6 earthquake in Alaska. 3.3 earthquake in Alaska. 2.5 earthquake in Alaska. 5.3 earthquake in Alaska. 2.8 earthquake in the Alberto Avrido Mota, BC of Mexico. 5.7 earthquake in Endeka, Alaska. 4.9 earthquake in Porto, Chile. 2.7 earthquake west of Petrola, California. 2.7 earthquake 140 kilometers southwest of Endek, Alaska. 5.0 earthquake in southern eastern Pacific Ridge. 4.7 earthquake in 11 kilometers southwest in Ampalaya, Honduras. 2.5 earthquake 16 kilometers south of Tres Panos, California. 4.9 earthquake 92 kilometers of Shaykatan, Russia. 3.0 earthquake in west of northwest of Petrola, which is 54 kilometers of Petrola, California. That was a 3.0 earthquake. 2.7 earthquake in Alvia, Alaska. 2.7 earthquake in Petrola, California. 3.3 earthquake in Petrola, California. 3.9 earthquake in Provincials of Superiore, Italy. 2.5 earthquake in Petrola, California. 2.7 earthquake 64 kilometers southeast of Nalihu of Hawaii. 4.8 earthquake 74 kilometers west to southwest of Perialan, Indonesia. 4.1 earthquake 5 kilometers northwest of Jemal al-Norchi, Dominican Republic. 2.7 earthquake in Alaska. 3.6 earthquake in Petrola, California. 3.3 earthquake in 20 kilometers west of Petrola, California. 5.1 earthquake 205 kilometers southwest of Bandar Lempang, Indonesia. 3.4 earthquake 84 kilometers north of Charlotte Amalie of U.S. Virgin Islands. 2.7 earthquake in Petrola, California. 2.6 earthquake in Petrola, California. 2.8 earthquake in Petrola, California. 4.0 earthquake in Petrola, California. 2.5 earthquake in Palomas, Puerto Rico. 3.9 earthquake in Adak, Alaska. 3.0 earthquake in Howardsville, Missouri. 5.1 earthquake 120 kilometers southwest of Adak, Alaska. 2.6 earthquake 61 kilometers southeast of West Yellowstone, Montana. 3.9 earthquake, 22 kilometers northeast of Hannes, Australia. 4.5 earthquake in Alaska. So those was the latest rounds of earthquakes in diverse places as of December the 9th, 2024 on this Monday afternoon. Luke 21 verse 11, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven. So with that, this is a quick sit-down lesson of the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of December the 9th, 2024 on Monday afternoon. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Makakadash. And the Heavenly Father, the true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, and the name of Mashiach Yahushai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash little tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders of Akim Akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.